Mayflies are insects from the order Ephemeroptera. While these pests don't pose any health hazards to people, their populations may still spike around conducive areas, creating large swarms that are nuisances outdoors and may even invade indoors. In this video, we'll go over how to identify mayflies, how to control an infestation, and how to prevent them from breaking out in the future. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to the wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. There are many species of mayfly found throughout the world. Alternate names for these pests include shadflies and lake flies. They can range in size from 1 over 32 inches to over 1 inch in length. Their body colors vary, but the wings are usually translucent. Despite their name, mayflies aren't actually flies at all. Flies possess one pair of wings, while mayflies possess 2 pairs of wings. At rest, mayflies hold their wings upright. Mayflies also have 2 to 3 tail-like appendages extending from the ends of their abdomens. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check around your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Mayflies are usually found near bodies of water. Clean, fresh water is necessary for mayflies to mate and lay their eggs in. After hatching, the nymphs live along the bottom of the water to feed on organic material until they develop into adults. There is typically only one generation of mayflies produced each year, emerging in large numbers simultaneously. When they die naturally, piles of dead mayflies may litter your property. At night, mayflies, like other flying insects, are attracted to artificial lighting. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. To control mayflies on your property, apply a repelling insecticide like Supreme IT. Supreme IT is a bifenthrin-based, liquid suspended concentrate that's labeled to treat over 70 different pests. In a handheld sprayer, mix 1 fluid ounce of Supreme IT into 1 gallon of water to treat every 1,000 square feet. Broadcast your solution evenly over your lawn with a fan or cone spray pattern. Spray shrubbery and ornamentals from above and below to coat all leaf surfaces. Spray all foliage to the point of wet but not runoff. Conduct a perimeter application by spraying entry points like doors, windows, and other voids that insects can use to hide or invade. Then spray your structure's outer perimeter 3 feet up the foundation and at most 10 feet out. Do not allow people or pets around the treated area until the product has dried completely. When applied, Supreme IT will leave a residual chemical barrier that will control pests for up to 90 days after application. Do not apply this product to any grass or turf within 100 feet of a body of water. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. To deter mayfly activity, manage bodies of water on your property. Keep bird baths drained, pools covered, and remove debris like leaves, algae, and decaying plant matter. You'll also want to keep your yard tidy and reduce excess vegetation or moisture around your home's perimeter. At night, adult mayflies will be attracted to any artificial lighting. White light attracts more insects, so you may switch to more yellow lighting to make your property less attractive. Ideally, you should keep outdoor lighting off during months with high pest activity and keep the curtains closed on all windows and doors. Finally, make regular reapplications of Supreme IT. One application lasts for up to 90 days, so reapply this product every 3 months to maintain protection year-round. Make sure to make an application in April, since mayflies arrive in full force in May. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop mayflies from swarming your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share, and if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.